morning, students. I hope you had a good weekend before, had a lot of time to practice a lot of maths, and with that, let us start another class on time. Okay. So far, what have you learned, children? We have learned how to convert time from one unit to another. Remember that? We also know that 1 hour is equal to how many minutes, children? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. We know that, right? Today what we are going to do is we are going to learn how to add time. Okay? Now, before we learn how to add time, let me ask you one small thing. Suppose you have 1 apple and 2 oranges. Then will you be able to add apples and oranges together? No. If you have 1 apple and 2 oranges, at best you can say that you have 3 fruits. Okay. So if we have to add something, what we have to do? We have to bring it to a same unit. Okay. Similarly, if you have to add hours and minutes, what do you have to do? You have to bring it to the same unit, or you can add it separately. For example, let me take an example. Okay. Suppose my question is to add 1 hour 35 minutes with 2 hours and 45 minutes. Okay, children? So if I have to add 1 hour 35 minutes with 2 hours 45 minutes, first of all, what do? We write the hours and the minutes in 2 different blocks. Okay. We write the hours separately and then we write the minutes. Okay. And then we have to add them together. Please notice, children, that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Okay. So here 35 and 45 are all less than 60. Okay. They do not amount to an hour. After we have written the hours and the minutes separately, what do? We add them together from the left hand side. Okay. So then if we add them together, 5 plus 5 is 10. You take 10, carry over 1. Remember that, children? Then 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So you have 80 minutes. And how many hours do you have? 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 hours. Okay, children. Now, you have added the hours and the minutes separately. After that, you have to do one thing. You have to see if the minutes hand is less than 60 or greater than 60. Okay. Here you can see that 80 is greater than 60 and 1 hour already has 60 minutes. So what we do, this 80 minutes can be written as 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. Right, children? Now see, since 80 was greater than 60, what did we do? We tried to write 60 plus 20 minutes because 6 plus 2 is 8. Right? And what is 60 minutes? 60 minutes becomes another 1 hour. Right? And this 1 hour, we add it to 3 hours. So if you have to add 1 hour plus 35 minutes with 2 hours plus 45 minutes, first thing what do? You add them separately in minutes house and in hours house. Okay? After you add it together, you check whether the minutes house is less than 60 or greater than 60. If it is less than 60, you keep it as it is. If it is greater than 60, what does it mean? An hour is hiding inside these minutes, right? Because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So what do, children? We write 80 as 60 plus some minutes. Okay. And then what do we do? You haven't 1 hour here. What will you do? You'll add this 1 hour with 3. This will become 4 hours plus 20 minutes. Okay, children? 4 hours plus 20 minutes. Okay? As such, what can I say? That 1 hour 35 minutes plus 2 hours 45 minutes is equal to 4 hours and 20 minutes. Is it clear, children? Let us try another example. Okay? Let us try another example. Okay, I have to add I have to add 5 hours and 40 minutes with 6 hours and 25 minutes. Suppose I have to add them, okay? I have 5 hours and 40 minutes, then I have to add it with 6 hours and 25 minutes. What do I do? The first thing I do is I write the hours and minutes separately. Okay, hours and minutes. Alright? And then what do? I add the minutes. And then I add the minutes. Okay? So 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 65. And how many hours do I get? 5 plus 6 is how much, children? 11, right? So here I write 11 hours plus 65 minutes. Again, note, children, 65 is more than 60 and 65 can be written as 60 minutes plus 5 minutes, right? And 60 minutes is equal to how many hours? 1 hour. This 1 hour gets added in the hours house. Okay. So finally my answer is 12 hours and 5 minutes. So I can say that 5 hours plus 40 minutes and 6 hours plus 25 minutes. If you add this time, how much do you get? 12 hours and 5 minutes. Okay? Alright. Is it alright? I hope you understood. Let us take another example. Okay? Let us take another example where we have to add 7 minutes. Okay, 7 minutes and 50 seconds with 20 minutes and 40 seconds. Alright? Alright. Look here, children. What do we have? We have minutes and seconds this time, not hours and minutes. Okay? So if we have minutes and seconds, what do we know? 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Okay? So if you have minutes and seconds with you, what do you do at first? You separate the minutes. Okay? You separate the minutes and the seconds. You separate the minutes and the seconds and then add it together. Okay? So you have 50 seconds plus 40 seconds. So how many seconds do you have? Add it together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 4 is how much, children? 9. 90 seconds. So since the minute is separate, 20 plus 7 minutes will be equal to 27 minutes, right? Add 0 with 7, 2 will remain as it is. Now again, we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 90 can be written as 60 seconds plus 30 seconds, right, children? You can also find this 30 by subtracting 90 minus 60. Okay? If you subtract 90 from 60, what do you get? You get 30. And and that is also how you can write that. Okay, 60 seconds plus 30 seconds. Okay, and 60 seconds is equal to how many minutes, children? 1 minute. This 1 minute gets added here, right? So what is the final answer? The final answer is 28 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, children? I hope you understood how to add time now, and this is the procedure that we use to add different units of time. Okay? I hope you understood today's class. If you have any problems after that, please get back to me. Okay? I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.